This is proof that Donald Trump's trade policies are directly hurting ordinary Americans, especially farmers. The story begins with a leaked text showing high-level officials panicking about the fallout from tariffs. Behind the scenes, decisions are being made that benefit a handful of wealthy insiders while leaving hardworking farmers in crisis. Take soybeans, for example. Soybeans are a $13 billion industry in the United States, but China has stopped buying American crops. Since September, at the very start of the soybean marketing year, China has purchased none from U.S. farmers. Why? Because retaliatory tariffs made American soybeans too expensive. Instead of waiting for relief, China turned to Argentina, where prices dropped after the government suspended export taxes. Almost immediately, Chinese companies bought more than 1 million tons from Argentina, leaving U.S. farmers without buyers. This sudden halt isn't just numbers on a chart. It means real financial losses for American families who depend on farming. Grain elevators, which store massive amounts of crops before selling, may soon refuse to accept soybeans because there's no market to offload them. The storage shortage raises fears that farmers could be stuck with crops they cannot sell at all. To make matters worse, a bailout deal with Argentina added fuel to the fire. The United States provided a $20 billion package to rescue Argentina's economy, even though Argentina is not a major trading partner. That move gave China cheaper soybean options and directly undercut American farmers. The biggest winner wasn't the United States. It was a billionaire hedge fund manager with personal ties to top officials. His bets on Argentina's economy paid off while American farmers lost everything. The consequences don't stop there. Trump has promised farmers that money collected from tariffs will be redirected to them as relief. But tariffs are simply taxes paid by American buyers, meaning citizens are footing the bill twice. First through higher prices and second through bailout funds. It's essentially a cycle where ordinary Americans pay more while the wealthy benefit from insider deals. Even members of Trump's own party have acknowledged the damage. Farmers want open markets, not government checks. They are facing a record harvest of corn and soybeans, but with no international demand, their livelihoods are at risk. And the critical question remains, if China has now secured long-term agreements with Argentina and other suppliers, why would they ever return to buying American crops? This isn't just a temporary setback. It may be the permanent loss of one of America's biggest markets. The bigger picture shows how these policies ripple through the economy. Farmers are left with unsellable crops. Taxpayers are left covering bailouts. Billionaires with the right connections walk away with massive profits. And all of this stems from trade wars that were supposed to put America first, but instead pushed global buyers to look elsewhere. This is more than just about soybeans. It's about whether short-sighted policies are crippling American industries for years to come. And if that's the case, the people paying the highest price will not be those making the decisions, but the everyday Americans caught in the middle.